guys, it's India. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be another crochet braid video, you guys. I have been really loving the crochets for summer, like wigs and just the glue, the lace. It's too much for me. Okay, so we have to stick to crochet braids. So I'm so excited to be sharing these with you guys today. Thank you so much to Samsbeauty for sending me this hair to review. This is the Freetress braid 3X Summer Deep 18 inches in the color T530. Super cute, you guys. I have not worn red hair in a minute, I feel like, and I really like this hair. It is definitely on the silky side, so definitely different from what I've been wearing lately, which is more like natural coarse texture hair. This is definitely the only silky kind of 3X hair by Freetress that I have tried. I've tried several of their hairs, at least like 3 or 4, maybe even 5, and all of them have been a natural, like coarser texture. This is definitely more silky, but it's not, it's more silky, but to me it still doesn't feel like their original crochet braid hairs, like the oh my gosh, like they have like Water Wave and like Go-Go Curl and stuff, the ones that come in a single pack, like the really old ones. It still doesn't feel like that, because those feel like super plasticky and very silky and shiny, but this is a little different, but definitely on a smoother textured side. So okay, so let's go ahead and jump right into me installing the hair. You guys will get to see my braid pattern, which is just 14 braids straight back. I crisscrossed the middle. I did you an invisible part on this hair. However, I am not utilizing it, and I don't know that I will, just because the hair is so flat. I feel like I don't know how much I like it in a middle part, but I may try to like style it some way, but you guys will get to see that in the video. And I actually did do a video recording me doing my braiding pattern, so if you guys want to see that, go ahead and click the link in the description box down below so you guys can watch that video, because I'm pretty sure that one will be up first before this one. So yeah, let's go ahead and jump right into that. me installing the hair. You guys did see me using this. This is the hair paint wax. I don't know if this color has a name, but it is just their red color. You can get this from, I believe, hairpaintwax.com. I've had this for years and I never used it. And this hair, as you guys can see, is like a T530 mix. So that's gonna be not exactly ombre, but just kind of like a mix, dark like 99J 1B red mix up here, and then into like the actual red at the bottom. So you don't really get that ombre effect. And obviously I have black hair, or you know, very dark natural hair. So I wanted to put a little bit of this on it. I ended up wiping a lot of this off after I like did my makeup and got dressed and stuff. But yeah, I would definitely recommend, if you guys want to use this and you can plan it out, like you know that you want to use this for your hair, not install it, but like, you know, apply it when you're actually braiding. So when you're cornrowing, if you can apply it to the front section and then go ahead and braid it, you'll be able to apply it to the hair more evenly, and then it should look pretty nice after you've installed your crochet braids on top. I wish I had done that instead of trying to put it on after, just because then I'm kind of getting it on the crochet braid hair, and then it's mixing with the gel, my edge control that I use, and so it's kind of clumping up and looking weird. So I feel like if you apply this beforehand, before installing the crochet braid hair, it'll come out a lot nicer. But you guys can still kind of see a little bit of it on the sides, but not so much on the baby hairs. I still think it looks really cute. So yeah, I definitely like this style. I can tell it's not gonna last that long because of the texture. Probably 2 weeks or so. I'll wear this one, maybe probably push it to 3 weeks. We'll see how it's looking. I might do an update for you guys depending on how long I decide to keep this hair in. But like I said, it is silky. You're definitely gonna need to put on a scarf, bonnet, something, and go ahead and twist or braid up the hair so that you can preserve it for as long as you can. And I did use this Cantu Shea Butter for natural hair. This is their Shine and Hold Mist. I use this on a lot of my crochet braids, and I ended up adding just a little bit of mousse as well, because once again the hair is on the silkier side, so it was super frizzy without the mousse. So I went ahead and just put a little bit on top. You can use whatever mousse you have, no big deal, but just help to maintain some of that frizz. So yeah, I think that is all I have to say. I really like this hair. It's super cute. I absolutely love the color, and it is actually more lightweight than I thought it was going to be. When I saw the texture, I was thinking, oh my gosh, this is gonna be super duper heavy, but it's actually not, and I think I can work with this for sure. So I'm really excited about that. And this color is just everything. I love red on me, and I haven't worn red in like a minute. So yeah, that is pretty much it for this video, you guys. Don't forget to shop my website. I have a lot of new arrivals on there. If you guys are interested in like loungewear and pajamas and stuff, I will have the link to my store in the description box down below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. More crochet braid videos coming, of course, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.